Christmas cupcakes. Hi, hello, welcome. Welcome to Dosa Recipes. I am Christmascakerecipes. We're going to have a lovely session of simple yet yummy Christmas cupcakes. These are going to be very small and cute cakes. So let's see how to do them. So these Christmas cupcakes, the measurements are very important. So do follow the measurements and we'll mix the flour up. I'm taking the sugar. So with this sugar, it will be very convenient if we are going to mix it with the milk first, so that they get dissolved well firstly. Now use an electric mixer or any other whipper you have, you can just blend them. To that, let's add the yogurt or curd. And now add the butter. The butter should be in room temperature so that they mix very quickly and easily. Add oil. Press this bell icon and never miss an update from us. See, we have all the wet ingredients blend together along with sugar. Now let's add these banana pieces. See, if you're going to put this banana into the mixer jar, what will happen is they get mashed very much and they become a paste like thing. So we don't want that. So hence I'm just smashing it slightly with my fingers. Now everything is ready. So let's add the little salt, just a pinch of salt. I'm going to add the flours. Sieve it straight away, or you can sieve it separately and add it here. The baking powder and baking soda together. We can just blend it with a ladle or a spoon. So let's add some essence to this. This is just to give a flavor. I'm adding vanilla essence. Now all the ingredients are done here, so give it a single mix. We have an even and nice mixture now. So we are going to put them into the cupcake molds. And lastly, adding the cherry fruits. Depends, you can add tutti fruttis, cherry fruits or any dry fruits, whatever you have. Fill them in the cupcake molds. Meanwhile, preheat your ovens at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This preheating is very important. So now once it's done, we can place our muffins in the oven and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Now here, after 25 minutes, a toothpick inserted should come out clean. So here our muffins are done. Just remove them, allow them to cool, and we can do the icing as and how we require. Look at the cake. These muffins are very soft and spongy. Can you see? They're just bouncing back. So let's do the icing as we wish. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this video of Christmas cupcakes or Christmas muffins. Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Recipes is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Recipes, and do not forget to share this video link with your friends and relatives. Thank you and bye-bye.